Hello, my name is Tommy Davies and I'm the head of the Change Programme at North Cumbria University Hospitals Trust. I head up a team of people, a newly formed team called the Change Team, and their role is to deliver a programme of trust improvement initiatives and also work on a continuous improvement approach that goes throughout the trust over a longer term. So there's a significant improvement journey that we're on as a trust, and our team's going to lead on this and support teams to deliver it throughout the trust. And what I'm going to talk to you about today is how we manage our improvement initiatives on a board within the office. So within the office we have a board that holds all of the initiatives. I've got a printout of it here, and it's got a list of what the title of the project is. So for example, there's discharge and outpatient booking pathways on there. And then what the current situation is regarding that particular project. So that's what progress has been made and what the current challenges are. And some of the current challenges are spelled out in red within the document. There's also a RAG rating which lets us know whether we think we're on track with some of the key milestones on there. Red would be it's off target, and there's a couple that are amber there, which mean that some of the milestones, but not all of them, are not meeting their targets. There's a date column within the board as well, and that tells us when it was updated. Most of these have been updated within the last week. The second date column is when the project's due to be completed and finished. The final few columns we have, there's what the next milestone date is. So that tells us what the significant milestones are coming up within usually the next week or so. So we get an idea of what is going to happen and compare that to what the current situation is what's happened or happening. Then we've got two columns which are about individuals. So who's the operational lead for the project? So that will be one of the general managers or a deputy business unit director. Then the very final column is the service improvement manager. Within the change team there's 3 service improvement managers, and they'll take a lead for 3 or 4 projects within the team. So it just specifies which one of those service improvement managers is leading on that particular project. Now, I've got an A3 printout of the board there. The board is over 2 quite large whiteboards. The bit that you can't see on the document there is some of the other projects that we're working on, but we might have like to touch support for them, or we've not started the work with them yet. They're also kept on the board. Now we use it for a range of purposes. One of them is to promote the work that we do within the team and share that amongst ourselves as a team, so each other within the team knows what the other person's doing and what we're doing as a collective. We also share it on the intranet site, so we'll put a copy of this on the intranet site every week so people can see the latest updates that we've got in terms of our improvement initiatives. And I'll have one-to-ones with directors who are leads for some of the improvement projects, and I'll share that document, and they'll put it up in the office. They can see what the progress is in terms of having an A3 rather than the board itself up on in their offices. They'll have a copy of the A3 up in their offices. And also people drop into the office and find out what we're doing. And CQC popped in last week, and so did our finance director. And it's a useful tool for just explaining some of the improvement initiatives that we're currently focusing on as part of the work we do within our team. It's like all good approaches to improvement. We have PDSA'd the board, so it's not how it was first set up 4 months ago. We've made various changes to it. We work very closely with the CLIC team. They came to visit, and we made some adjustments based on some feedback we had from them, and we've had feedback from others. We've looked inward in terms of our team at team meetings and said how we can improve it, and just taken on suggestions from a range of people to develop the board. But we find it works really well. It's very positive. It's a good way of showcasing the work that we're involved in, but also making other people is that we're doing as a team and what the progress is and where the challenges are within that and which projects at a glance need more attention than others.